How to fix Microsoft Word activation failed. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application and search for Microsoft Word, make sure that you have the latest version of Microsoft Word application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of Microsoft Word or update beside the Microsoft Word application, which means we have the latest version of the application on our device. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on Microsoft Word application. That will give us the option of app info. So just tap on it, and as you tap on it, you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. So tap on clear data and then clear cache and tap on OK. If it's possible, you can also clear all data and delete all data, but I would not want to do so. After that, tap on the app permissions and make sure that you toggle on all the required options. Next, you can just go and relaunch Microsoft Word and this might fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.